Pan is ready today. It's going to be a very, very exciting day. Pan is busy collecting batteries and wires and an old battered car. His mother asked him what he wanted to do. And he said, I wanted to run on its own. I wanted to go and come when I give it a call. I wanted to come near and go far. You know, I met a robot today. He told me that I can build robots too. All I need is ideas few. All I have to do is to think in a sequence and set a path. He said it's the first step and it would be enough for a start. So mommy looked at him and said, oh, really? Will I have to buy you many things for this? Will you keep tinkering and will your reading and schoolwork be missed? So Pan said, no, Ma, it will help me to be really smart. For to build anything special is quite an art. I will have a mind that can really think and do so much more. And then reading and writing will not be a chore.
Square Panda.